Have you wondered what your neighborhood or a city far away looks like in Street View? This video is going to show you how to view almost any street in the Street View feature, so just follow my steps. I'm going to hop over to my Google Maps app on iPhone, and then our job is to open any location in the world. It can be a random restaurant, which you may like. It may be your own house, a city, or a travel destination which you'll want to visit. It really doesn't matter. I've opened New York City as an example for this video, and I'm quickly going to zoom into the map until I see individual streets like this. On your PC, you have the Street View button by default at the right corner, but you don't have this in the mobile app. So what you need to do is to long press on the street in order to get this little pin, and you'll then have a little picture icon at the bottom left. And when I click on this, I'm going to enter the street view for that specific street. You can see how that street looks like. You can move around, tap on the little arrows in order to get another view from a different angle, and so on. Keep in mind that the street view isn't available for every single street in the world, especially if you're looking for something in rural areas. But almost every bigger city will have a street view of almost every single street, so take your time now and enjoy.